Hey,
What do we got?
now,
Good?
Yeah.
does that look good?
Yeah.
All right. They're doing the final adjustment on our heights, and so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they've done so far. I'm taking the camera off the tripod. Okay. If you can see the string and the line, we got them all lined up now. So, and we've got them all to where they're straight. Got all our braces in place. So they're ready to pour concrete. And this is concrete by hand. So the concrete is over here in the back of the pickup. Okay. So they'll be mixed. You know, we're going to bring the mixer over here closer, get the wheelbarrow over here,
Okay.
and then we'll start filling all the posts with concrete. Man, that looks good from back here, guys.
It looks good.
Let me know what you think. Anyways, if you're in Klamath Falls and you need something done, Jose's your guy. Thank you. Keep dumping more in, Kim. Kim is dumping concrete. Jose is over there packing it. That we have a nice good mix of concrete, and it don't have any holes or nothing. We don't have a vibrator or nothing like that to vibrate the concrete. We're doing it the old-fashioned way. Anyways, pretty much just keep you up to date. Just getting started with concrete. Anyways, thank you. Nope. The guys are doing the concrete.
It's going good.
So far, they've been working good. They concreted in the first set of posts. Now they're working on the second one. Turns 15 next month, and the other guy's 24, and they've been doing awesome work today. Cut the pipes with the chop-off saw. They've rounded off some of the sharp edges with the grinder over there. We had concrete in one of the holes, so we had to have the jackhammer out. And so they've done very, very well. It was harder doing the holes on the short one here because of the concrete in the holes. Or in, I think it's that next hole over, the one to the left of him. Dumping the concrete in now already has concrete down there, and we had to use the jackhammer in order to get the post in where it was supposed to go. That was no fun, and he took it in stride. Jose is a very, very good worker. So that's how it's been going. For me, I've been supervising, which isn't really fair. I don't have to do any of the hard work they're doing wrong. I don't know if you can see from here the screen and the black lines. I'll try and zoom in on that one over there. Look at that. Those guys have been doing perfect. They've been getting everything lined out and making it look really good. I'm very happy with what these two have been doing. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.